I will show you this workflow once again where the user connects to GitHub, which enables them to create a new coding session. So there's two types now. Initially there was only one. I'll very quickly show you the record your screen type. This is the first one I developed, and we can associate this with a GitHub repository, and then we can record a screen. Why don't we do this? So the idea here is that you can turn this landscape and then you can start recording and you can do some coding, whatever you want. This is the demo. And then you can stop recording. And when you stop recording, it processes the video, and in just a moment, it will stop processing. There we go. And then we're pushed into a edit video screen. There's a whole bunch of functionality here. We can add bookmarks. We can share the video. We can look at the video details. We can choose the thumbnail that's associated with the video. We can drag to trim. We can play the video. We can scrub through the video. Yeah, so given that I've already showed that or demoed that previously, I won't linger on it. And now we can go back to this screen and use this new workflow here. This is the editor workflow. I developed this on top of the first workflow there because I just wasn't very happy with the way that the screen recording worked. Ultimately thought that could be improved upon. So this uses an embedded editor in the browser, and it also streams live. So you'll see here, as soon as I start typing, that this reflects on the mobile device. So this is the demo. The timer is in the way there. We should also probably start recording. In this case, you can start recording here or over here. So this has some nice syntax highlighting. The demo, yeah, so this has the problem still of portrait mode being quite narrow on mobile. So again, you can turn this like this, and overall the embedded editor version is just much cleaner. We have much more control over how it's rendered on the mobile device. So pretty clean solution overall, and we can stop here, and that pushes us directly into the editor again. And this looks very similar to the other one, obviously. So it feels like a video, even though actually all that we're working with here is text with timestamps, and then you can treat it like a video. So that's pretty cool. And we have some similar things down here. We have bookmarks. We have insights. I'll get to that in a second. We have some code details here. And yeah, the insights is the only AI feature thus far. So we'll do this and see what happens. So this is analyzing the code changes throughout the video. And here we get back a summary. So we see that the code change session primarily involves adding comments to the existing code. So yeah, I didn't really use this on a very good example, obviously. If it was like real coding, this would actually have something interesting to say. But it gives you like a breakdown of the code, the complexity. It gives you some suggestions. It's giving us some suggestions on the actual app here, which is pretty funny. And then it also breaks down like the way that the developer is actually coding. So how much time are they thinking versus actively editing versus reviewing. And like it really goes into too much depth here. So that's pretty cool. I don't have any other AI features so far, mostly because it was a Herculean effort to support both of these workflows. And I'm really excited to build out some more AI features for this one here. So there you go. Yeah, thanks for listening.